हाय एवरीबडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। बहुत ही प्यारा दिन है यार। इट्स बीन रेनिंग ऑल अलोंग। पता नहीं, यू लाइक, some people like rain, some people don't. Well, I just love rains. And the weather is very breezy. And this video is actually a different kind of video. ये बहुत ही different चीज़ का मैं वीडियो करने वाली हूँ। And so let's start. So before I start, I want to share that I'll be reviewing bags from various companies, and please note this is not a sponsored video. It's just my reviews to help people share my experience with you all. और so basically मैं कुछ bags खरीदी थी before the lockdown, so you know the review is quite genuine. Or I want to review the bags that I had bought. How are they? How the companies are, the quality, etc. So let's start. So first, I would like to start with my all-time favorite Lavi. So this is a Lavi bag, my love. और अगर आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन इसका लिंक चाहिए तो आई कैन शेयर इट इन अमेज़ॉन, दो आई डोंट नो आई हैव द लिंक और नॉट, बट बेसिकली ये मैंने ख़रीदा था अमेज़ॉन से। लावी स्टोर से भी आप ख़रीद सकते हैं, इट्स अप योर चॉइसेस एंड विशेस, बट दिस आई हैड ब्रॉट फ्रॉम अमेज़ॉन। इसका यहाँ पे एक बैग है, कैरी long belt to carry, or short belts here. Okay, now this has external pockets and you can open this up. Okay, if you open it, it has quite a lot of space. You have chains here, middle partition, and this side also. It has spaces and pockets inside like any other bag. But the best thing that I like about Lavi is it's light. It's very light, and it's inside कपड़ा, you know, it's very nice. इसका जो inside वाला cloth है, this texture is really nice and it's durable, and the chains and the quality of the bag, the shimmery effects, I just love it. And this is my all-time favorite. That's why I'm showing you my top 5 bags, and this one's the first. This is my first love. So this is the best का हो गया. I'll share and again अगर मुझे इसका लिंक मिले in Amazon, so मैं शेयर कर दूँगी. आप लोगों को अगर कुछ बैग अच्छा भी लगे, you can ask me in comments and you can share your reviews in comments and I'll surely reply. So ये गया मेरा first. My second, okay, I'm going from top to bottom. Okay, my first, my favorite, then slowly go down. This bag, it's not from internet, लेकिन ये खादिम्स का बैग है. ओके, इसका क्लोजर ऐसा है, okay? और इसका ओपन ऐसा है. इसका there's a pocket at the back. It has 2 handles. Okay. But the best thing is about its inside. Just guys, have a look. Its inside is really awesome. And बाहर में there is no logo of Khadims as such, but inside there is a sticker like this. Okay, you can actually see there is a sticker of Khadims. Okay, so this bag is my second favorite. Second है क्योंकि it is a bit heavier, okay, than Lavi, but it's also very durable. It has a lot of space inside. But इसका अंदर का pocket is, I mean, smaller than the Lavi one. But the fabric inside is also too good. It's a bit rough, but it has same inside design like 2 pockets, 1 chain, This side also chain. So this is my second favorite. I'm sorry, इसका link I can't share because there's no link for it. I bought it from Khadim's before the lockdown, so no, can't share. Okay. Next is baguette. This is the masterpiece. It is light. Oops. But ये थर्ड पे क्यों है अब? बिकॉज इसका बाहर का टेक्सचर ऐसा है कि इफ़ समथिंग्स लाइक पिन और कुछ भी शार्प चीज़ें जाए तो इट गेट्स स्क्रैचेस. बट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो लाइट. इट हैज़ अ बैगेट लोगो आउटसाइड. ओके. एंड इसका डिज़ाइन इज़ नॉट वेरी ओवर द टॉप, वेरी क्लासी, but not bad also. So it has a pocket outside, one big long belt to carry. Okay, like this one. This is the long belt, and separate two handles. I don't prefer this. This is not much of my interest, but it has this. ये खादिम्स में नहीं है and many people may not like it because of that. लेकिन my personal choice is I don't use this thing, so mostly मैं इसको खोल के अंदर में रखती हूँ inside the bag. But it's fine. People who like it can use it. Okay, so this is my third favorite. और third favorite क्योंकि इसका साइज़ छोटा है. इसके अंदर में देयर आर टू स्पेसेस, टू इनसाइड पॉकेट्स और एक यहाँ पे है. एंड इट डजंट हैव सच काइंड ऑफ पॉकेट्स ऑन एनी साइड. द वन वे यू कैन टक इन योर मोबाइल्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो दैट्स द रीज़न कि मुझे ये उतना यूज़फुल नहीं लगता. बिकॉज मैनी टाइम्स यू नीड पॉकेट्स टू जस्ट कीप इन साइड द बैग एंड यू नो. So this is not my type of bag. And another thing is कि इसका अंदर में it has two inside chain, because of which the space inside gets reduced. Because if you have two chains, you are unable to get all the space that's inside the bag, and comparatively the space gets reduced. So that's why it's my third choice. Okay, now my last choice is this is a bag that I got as a gift from a very close person, and this is from Van Helsing. Okay, and this is nice, but this is small in size, and इसका कलर भी अच्छा है. Okay, but the only thing is that you cannot carry anything inside this. You need to go for parties or कोई get together function, उसमें आप ये बैग कैरी कर सकते हैं. Nevertheless, इसका अंदर में भी there's a lot of space. इसके अंदर में पॉकेट्स है ऐसे छोटू सा. ओके, ये इसका वन साइड है और फ्लैप करेंगे तो इसका अनदर साइड है. यहाँ पे भी इसका चेन है, जैसे इसमें चेन है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट बैड, बट जैसे कि मैंने कहा, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी और कोई गेट टुगेदर फंक्शन, लाइक वे यू डोंट नीड टू कैरी एनीथिंग अदर दैन योर सेल फोन, योर चार्जर एंड योर lip balm or sanitizer. Now of course these days sanitizers are the major things that you need to carry with yourself. So sanitizer, tissues, mobile, and so these are the things that you can carry inside this. But nevertheless it's good. But nevertheless I like this too. This is also quite nice. The reviews of my 5 bags that I like, or they were all from different companies, because I don't use specific companies as such that this is the one I want to buy from. So share your reviews, likes, comments, anything. If you like the video, if you like the bags, if you like the reviews, if you have any questions, please share in your comments, and have a great day ahead, and एंजॉय करें। बाय, सी।